spoken to the Home Secretary, and I had a detailed discussion myself with the Honorable Home Minister of India, Amit Shah, yesterday. We spoke on 2 occasions, once in the afternoon and once in the evening. And on both occasions, he has assured us of full cooperation and support. And based on that, we have requested the Government of India to give us 5 companies, and accordingly 3 from the CRPF and 2 from the BSF have been requisitioned for us for the situation here, and out of them 2 have already from CRPF have arrived and 2 from BSF already have arrived. As I said, that number one, that overall the situation that unfolded in front of us was done and by the police department and the DGP and all the others who were involved in the decision making. And yes, at all levels, we have been very clear with the police department that the number one priority and number one responsibility that is there for the police and the Home Department is to ensure that the citizens of this city and the citizens of our state are safe. And based on that, we have asked them to accordingly move and ensure that that priority is kept in mind. But at the same time, as I said, different operations and different movements do take place. And in the whole process, as I said, the intention was very clear in the time also, was to arrest the concerned person. So in these kind of instances, it's not always that the operations sometimes go according to what the plan is, and in this kind of situation also the same thing happened. What I'm trying to say is that a lot of operations do happen, and there could be or there could not be a situation where the information was given or not given. So let the committee look into this, and that's the reason why, after looking at all these facts, we've decided that judicial inquiry should be done. Let the judicial inquiry come out with this report.